kubor nakaslem jong unausan hima.
Pok kejingalam jong Chief Minister Badon Burom jongi ngiladon ia ka review meeting bat ngidon ru ia ka video conferencing bat baro ki deputy commissioners jong ke jela mekhala jongi bat kadon ke jingi kren ke jingi thir jingmut ka babnia ka basani hakayadei bat kene ke jingkeu jong kane ke jingpang khlam ka bangi ong u COVID-19 bat hadin bangi yo bat bangi yo ru ya report na baro ki deputy commissioners ka sarkar kalashim ya karai kumni harum ka banungkong nakaliang jong government ngim ban sesu ban declare containment area yakini ki jaka harum kabanungkong Shillong urban agglomeration kabaar Tura town bat kabalai kajuai town ki ay kini ki containment measures ki bengisip ngakwa ya kaban pentip kani kapon nak betul jingtip jong ki pajba nong song snong jong ke jela bat kham tam jong kini ki lai teli ki jaka jong kini ki lai teli ki jaka kabangingim sya kalong kani ki meeting ki public meeting ki political meeting ki social meeting ki jing ki jingyaseng ki religious gathering yong ki jingaseng bat ki way nginum sya ha kini ki tarik nadu sitarik hadu shipau tarik ubnai me arpo way kani ka containment measures ka mengisim kalong kan trekam nadu ka sitarik jong une ubnai menstep kabamut nadu kapor san baji menstep shitarik bat kan kut hadu ka shipau tarik menstep san baji jong une uju ubnai kabaar ngi khanglut ya ki sports activities kino ki jajjingla kai sports hakini kisni ngin khanglut ya ki barok kabalai ki educational institutions kin khang barok nadu kasitrik hadu kasipotrik kumba ngalabatai nangta susu barok ki private offices kin khang like no kitu ki private offices ki batrei lani ki ba deal lani ki ba pay na kabenta ki essential services kini ki non essential central government institution yakini ru nginem sya bakin play like no bakin trei nala ki jong ki yeng ki sem ki jong ki baro kajing yaya hakini kisngi nadu shitarik hadu chepodrik ngim sya bat ngida kerpat ya ki pajbak bakin sengau baha ban bot perking ya kani kenang ba kan monra ya kajing ma ha kayeng kasem ha kasnong kathau bat kumju ru ha kajela baro kawai kikali gibakit beriu menta ka capacity jongka ngila penhiar sya kasipawa na kasikilu 1 foot ya ka capacity ka bajudon menswa ngila penhiar no mentaba kit tang 1 foot ka capacity jongki but yakini ru ka bangingin siya yakini ki public transport tang lada ki don ki kies ki biadai hakakot ka kya kum ka healthcare ki emergency services bat kumju akabedai bat kitu ki balik na kabantaban eye injection kabangi ong ka vaccination centers kabaki hap ban mi ban lej ya kaban eye ka injection ke jongki ya ki bakum ki tangisha nang ta shu ya ki kena school ki students ki nong hikai ki teachers ki staff ki bahap ya kaban attend ya ka exam ke jongki namar pitip adu menta ka exam kadang ya syakman ya ki bakum kita rungisya tangba ya kita hap banyo ya ka permission leng bajong ki deputy commissioners nang ta susu ke jinya na ka wei ke district sya ka wei pat ke district na Shillong leni ke banwan Shillong let's say na Shillong leni natura leni di Jiwai ki ban lech ki wei pat ki district ya kaniru ngibu ya ka restriction bakin nem ya yeng kum bajulong mensyua like no kum mangong ya fi kibadon katuka emergency cases kila banyat tangba ki habanyo ya ka permission na ki deputy commissioners kumta na kaliang jong ka sorkar ni kerpat dakabas ngaukia ya baro ki pajba nong syong snong jong ke jela ka jongi ni skutu ka don ka jingkta kirit kiria ki baya im jakpo man kasngi tenrei ngis ngausi bangi haban sim ya kene karai namar ba ka jingkot ke jingkia ka de ka priority na ka benta jong ka sorkar bat na ka benta iwei pe iwei inong syong snong ha ka jela megala jongi baro ka wei point number 2 ka sorkar ka sim ya karai hakabedei bat kanika containment period ka bangingi lapen bena nadu sitarik hadu ka sipau tarik jong uniu benai mi arpau arpuwei ka bangingi sya bakin yat bakin yeng baka movement kan don ka banungkok baro ki essential shops ngin play ki essential shops baro ngin play bat yakisngi bat yakapor ni IT haki deputy commissioners ba kin penbek ya kaneka kam bat kabangakwa ban ong hang ni ki pajba nong syong snong jok jela megala kimdei bandon kimdei ban long panik kimdei ban ting kimdei ban ong bala singim yo ya kamarbam kamardi tengah kwa ban pentip baka sorkar hakabidei bat kamarban mardi ngimdon kanu ke shortage kabit kabiang na kakadaw kamdei bandon ka rois len kamdei ban ong ba hakajaka bikin tit tang arberni bikin tit sipau berni tengah kwa ban kentu ya ki pajba nong sok snong jong ka jela ka jongi wat long panik namar baka stok hakabidei bat kabam kadi kum bakalong kabiang bat kanum don kanu kajingduna ha kinekiski bat kinekipor ke banwan kabenta kabaar ni sya'ru yaki tu ki construction work kinu ki kam ki wedei bat ki construction work piong ki snayeng ki sna surok ni ailat ya kita bat ni sya'ru ba kinekidukan ki badai ki hardware ki electrical shops ki mobile repair shops nang ta ki dukan sna kali yakini ru ni ailat ni sya tangba ya ka timing ya ka por bat ya ka sngi ni e hakajing start jong ki deputy commissioner bakin penbej ya kata nang ta ka bank services, post and telegraph, telecommunication services yakiniru ngisya bakin play ki essential government department offices yakiniru ngisya ban play katkum ka order kabawan na ka personal department tang bayakaniru kan don ka protocol ka ba strict thik batik kenang ba nginyada na kajing sapriang jong uneu kenyang jingpang kajing yat kajing yeng lesi jong kibriu kiba ngila ban ai ya kapas kabakerpang leng ba jong ki deputy commissioners ki jaj briu ki bingila ban ai ya ka permission ki dei kumni kitu kibriu kiba hab ban yat ban yeng na kabenta ka jingpang ki sistem ka bedei bat ka health services bat ka badeiru ki kam emergency services kala ban jiaru ka jakayap kaim ya bat kumju hak bedei bat kitu ki balai ha ki vaccination centers ya kita ru nya elat tangba lengba ka proper permission kaban sale nagi deputy commissioner nang ta kawepat hak wedei bat ka agriculture bat ka veterinary services ya kaniru ngisya nang ta susu transportation kajing kit ya kimare kimata kiba marbam kimardi ya kata ngisya nang ta susu ya ki students ki bahab nilai exam ki nong hikai ki staff jog ki institution ki badang penya je exam ya kita rungisya nang ta susu ki goods vehicles ki kali kit jikit ki bakit marba mardi ki bakentup ya ki e-commerce services supply ya ki medicine bat kumju ru ya ki home delivery services ya kataru nisya bakin yai nang ta susu ya ki reporters ki nong tok ot kubor print but electronic media ya kiniru nisya bakin yai nang ta ya kitu ki nong trei ki batrei hakanu kanu kayeng la se hakasurok la ne hakayeng yakini nisya nang ta susu ki briu ki ba kit ya ki marbam ki mardi ki ba kit ya ki dawai ki dashin ki ba nata ki pulit ki security ki armed forces ki civil defense bat ki home guard ki fire and emergency services nata ki nong train nipko ki MECL ki power grid nata ka food corporation of India nata ki nong train jog information and public relation department ki bank ki post and telegraph and telecommunication services ya kiniru nisya ya kaba kinyai tangba kani kijing sya kalong ki hapan ya lengba ka permission kaba ki deputy commissioner kin issue naga benta jongki ba menang lai don ka video conferencing but boro ki deputy commissioners ka search kam pada don ho ka kata hari boy hoi ka don chis patam ki cases ki active cases ten rei ka detail ya ka recovery ngam padio ten rei kam pada dei hado kata ten rei halor ka ni ru ngi IT ko mo pi ha ki deputy commissioner bak barok bakin page kin kami lada idon kam ban declare containment kila ban le kata kat kum ka jing idon kam ya kata ru ngila IT ha ki deputy commissioner bakin page ya ka ni on daily basis kenang bakum mangong pi ngin yala kat bala ban contain lade ban control ya kejing sapriang uneu kenyang jingpang oba agi sya kam dadon kejing aper negara daw ngi ong bet menta ngim ong su lockdown mat bro sekata ngi laya ya ke tin lockdown te menta ngi ong bet containment measures ya kitu kijaka ten rei lada pisu kwa ban keren kulum pila ban tho ba kadeka lockdown kata kam don ka jinga pher ka bar ta tang balong ngi mentang yong ka containment area namar balai ngim kwa bakan jia biang kumha kasnem ka bladem hakaba andengila declare ya ka lockdown man ka tu ka por ka don ka national lockdown hadu ka state jong iring hapan le lockdown hakatu ka por ka long more or less kum ka curfew ka ba ka economic activities ka stop totally tementang ngihap ban ya da kalenti ka bang ka check and balance kanang bakibriu kinem yap tangan bakanum ketaatan hakaju ka por pat bakibriu kin husiar bat kin sumar bahai ladi tang da kementa kata ka jing bom jing yap tangan ong no bakin sacrifice like in IT la ka jing im hadu ban pensapriang yu kunyang Jepang nginam ailat ya kata. For this, we allowed returnees coming from outside the state. We allowed, and then again they have to go through the regulation, which is already in place through the entry points, and they'll go for those detailed check of this that, and thereafter they will be advised to isolate themselves till the report is. The report is received by the respective returnees. Called contractor, they need to take the responsibility. Even transporting them from their respective houses to the site, again from the site to their respective houses. That in fact all the details will be worked out by the deputy commissioners along with those concerned stakeholders. At least we managed, because what happened is, unlike last year, because this year number one stock is there, this issue has been handed over to the wisdom of the deputy commissioners. They will walk out, because the deputy commissioner has to also call a meeting with the locality, with the local authority like the Rangbashnong, the Senjuk ki Rangbashnong. They will walk out, because as I said to you, let me make it very clearly to all the citizens of the state, we don't have any shortage of essential commodities. And I would once again request all the traders, please don't take advantage out of this situation, because government knows whether stock is available or not. So therefore stock is available, don't panic, and those people who charge double or triple, please inform to the concerned district authority. Action will be taken accordingly. 159 new cases today, means 28. Okay, and then recoveries 138. 138 recoveries, and then 159 new cases. And the total active cases as of today in the state of Meghalaya is 1,475. Yeah, new death 2. New death 2, but I don't have the detail, but new death 2 from East Khasiels. If it is 30 means to 60, we have made it. Okay.
So what about other?
Because that that entry point, it is 24/7. Some returners they reach Umling. Maybe at around 10 o'clock at the night. They cannot refuse. They have to do it. So some of them 12 midnight. Some of them 1 o'clock also in early in the morning. So see, humanly speaking, I'm telling you, that's why we strengthen the manpower over there, double. Previously, I think we do have about 21. So now we double it. Wherever we again increase not less than 2 numbers. For RT-PCR and then for registration, this that we have already increased the counters too. Ambulances for what? In case if any patient or not. No. That in fact DC has taken care of. We do have 24/7 one ambulance over there.